मॉर्निंग ऑल ऑफ यू। आज हम अपने स्कूल चिल्ड्रंस एकेडमी कमच्छा में एग्जीबिशन किया जिसमें साइंस, हिस्ट्री और इंग्लिश और हिंदी सारे सब्जेक्ट से रिलेटेड कुछ एग्जीबिशन लगा। आइए चलते हैं हम अपने बच्चों के पास। ये सबसे पहले तो ये लोगो है कनेक्टिव गैलरी। इसके बाद देन सबसे पहले फर्स्ट मैथ का ये है। मैथ, व्हाट इज योर नेम बेटा? तानिया, गुड मॉर्निंग बेटा। क्या है बेटा?
As you can see, there is a model of elevations of the angle. As it is moving, it forms a different angle. Person is standing up here, it will form downstairs, form the angle. And here is the cuboid triangle
relation between the there are two tangents drawn to the circle at A and B, and such this is 90 degree in the radius and is also 90 degree. And there is a supplementary degree which we can prove it by fixing it in the shape of water.
And a school board made by a senior student of class 10. Bus.
Thank you. What is your name?
No explain.
Chaktiwala of class 10, and this is the cooler.
Oh, awesome.
And
Cooler.
this is the study lab.
Working?
Yes, sir, it's working.
Okay, oh my god. That's amazing.
So this is the magnetic board and
है ये कूलर?
of plastic.
ओके, वेरी गुड। चिल्ड्रंस एकेडमी में ऐसा कूलर जैसा बन गया, ये शायद बनारस में इस तरह का कोई कूलर अवेलेबल नहीं है। ओके, जो लोग भी वीडियो देख रहे हैं, इस बच्चे का नाम आप देख सकते हैं। क्या नाम है इसका? वायुष, क्लास 6। ग्रेट जॉब। ओके, थैंक यू बेटा।
This is the structure of human brain, and there are 4 main parts: the cerebrum, midbrain, spinal cord, and hindbrain. And gravity and light.
ओके, थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
This thing, from class 10. This is the model of covalent bond. This is made by Tanya Rani of class 10. And this is the structure of diamond and graphite, which was made by Shivali Srivastav and from class 10. And this is the model of food chain, which was made by Priyam Qureshi, also class 10. And this is the solar system. One was made by Ronit Swami of class 7, and this one was made by Ayushi Vajpayee of class 6. Thank you, sir. Good morning, sir.
What is your name?
My name is Ramita Sultan. I am in class 10. This is the human heart. It's made by the Akshara Sutta. You can see. And this is the balloon light. It is made by Finas class 1. And this is the neuron. It is made by Mushin Holker class 10. And this is the food chain of the straw. It's made by the Tanvi Paranwa class 10. And this is the work. And it you can see class 9 made by the Aditya Ali. And this is the lung. It is made by Namrata Sundar class 10.
ओके,
Good morning, sir. My name is Sanjay. I educate class 10 high school in Children's Academy, Kolkata. This model is based on Gandhiva. Gandhiva was started by Gandhiji at Sabarmati Ashram in 12 March to 1st April in 1905.
दैट्स अमेजिंग।
And sir, this is the chakra.
थैंक यू बेटा, थैंक यू।
Good morning, sir. Myself, Prerna Noor. I am class 10. I'm here to present SST model. So, teacher, this is wind turbine. It is a device used to convert wind's kinetic energy into electrical energy. When the fan rotates, then it generates electricity and through
स्टार्ट द फैन।
this is the time machine. In 18th century, during the French Revolution time of French Revolution, it was invented by Dr. Guillotine, and people were used to executed by this machine by decapitation, by cutting off their heads. And this is sharp blade through which
वेरी गुड। देखिए बिल्कुल सूरज सर, ये देखिए बिल्कुल मुस्कान यादव। वेरी गुड।
यशवर्धन सिंह।
ये जलियांवाला बाग में देखिए जो उसका लोगो और सारी चीज़ें बिल्कुल ऐसा लग रहा है कि रियलिटी इसने वो सारी चीज़ें एकदम बिल्कुल प्रेजेंट कर दी। बहुत अच्छा, वेरी गुड।
Myself, Chandrasekhar, student of class 10 from Children's Academy. Here you can see the model of Jallianwala Bagh incident. The Britishers who were firing upon the people inside the Bagh were the order of General Dyer. Most of the people come to attend the Baisakhi fair, and some are protesting against the Britishers, but they don't aware of the martial law was imposed in this area, so they have to face such problems. You can see the well here. Most of the people, to save their life, jumped into the well, and the dead body was arranged into the well.
Thank you. Good morning.
This is the model of water pollution, and this is the model of lava bed, and this is the model of different types of rocks grown in different shapes. ये बता दे और ये बता दे.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. We are class 9, and this is our model from Sakshi, Hasina, and Kashika. So these are the models of class 9 and class 9. So this is the model of class 9 about a story called Bond of Love, which shows the love between animals and humans. And this is where we produce sound. Suppose we say K, so where it comes from. So different parts of tongue.
Okay. Thank you, Mita. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning, Mita.
Myself, this is the models of tense. All the English models are there. This is the model of English. All the types of nouns are there. And this is the models of all the parts of speech. And this is article A, N, and the. And this is the models of the KG section system. Thank you.
Thank you. Good morning.
Sir, my name
Morning.
Good morning, sir. My name is Veer Singh, and today this model was created by class 10 student, and this model of English grammar. This show part of speech which contains 8 parts, and this is a Vedas which used by ancient times. And sir, this story is from class 10, which shows the 100 dresses which wear women. Thank you.
What is your name?
Current on.
Okay. क्या model से आप?
These are the models of computer subject. This model shows that how many parts does a computer have. It is a model of laptop. This is a model of message cycle, that how a message will transfer from one server to another server. So this is a model of computer subject. Parts of computer. Model of instant messaging, that how a message will transfer from one server to another. Current on. Myself, current on.
Yes, start. Good morning.
Good morning, sir. This is Akhil Yadav, and I'm here to present you some project models of subject Hindi.
ये क्या है ये?
So this is about a well.
Oh.
So if you pull it, then it will show you
God.
a lot of definitions.
Wow.
of wells. So it is a topic of Hindi Vyakaran
Okay.
from class 10.
Oh my God.
You can see.
सारे रस इसमें
Yes, sir.
कितने?
Topic of class 10. We haven't studied yet.
ये आपने हिंदी का इतना बढ़िया प्रोजेक्ट बनाया है सर, रस के बारे में। ये आइडिया आपको कहाँ से आया? तो आपने पहली बार जैसे देखने को मिलता है।
रोल इट
इसके बारे में कुछ बताएं।
लौकी होता है जो है
जैसा कि ये जाना जाता है कि आपको मैं बता दूं कि ग्रामर सबसे टफ होता है, लेकिन फिर भी सर हिंदी की जो प्रेजेंटेशन है उसमें आप देखिए ग्रामर को इतनी ईजी तरीके से एक बॉल के कुएँ के जरिए जो है रस का कुआं मान लीजिए इसके जरिए बताया गया है, और इसमें सारी चीज़ें बताई गई हैं। इसमें अनुभव, विभव, संचारी भाव सारी चीज़ें बताई गई, मतलब इतनी ईजी तरीके से करी सर, ये मुझे लगता है पहली बार इस तरह का
ये पहली बार हुआ है
What is your name?
Sir, this is Sudesh also from class 9.
Yeah.
Sir, this is Hindi model made by class 10 students.
Yeah.
Sir, there is a chapter कन्यादान.
Yeah.
माँ ने कहा लड़की होना पर लड़की जैसी दिखाई मत देना. Means be a girl. Being a girl is a good thing, but don't sad, be afraid, and always ready for fight and proud you are a girl.
Okay. Very good.
एक माँ जो है लड़की को जो है शिक्षा दे रही है कि लड़की होना अच्छी बात है, लेकिन लड़की की तरह दिखाई मत देना, अर्थात बहादुरी के साथ में काम करना, ताकि जो है तुम्हारे सामने जो है कोई समस्याएं न उत्पन्न।
Thank you.
morning, sir. Myself, Anna Noor. I'm studying in class 10 in Children's Academy, Kamaksha, Varanasi.
मॉर्निंग बेटा
Good morning, sir.
your name?
Myself, Anna Noor. I'm studying in class 10 in Children's Academy, Kamaksha.
What happened?
Sir, this is Chandrayaan 2. Sir, this is our second lunar mission after Chandrayaan 1, which was launched in 2008. This Chandrayaan 2 was launched in 22nd July 2019 from Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh. So it consists of three parts: the orbiter, the Vikram lander, and Pragyan. Vikram lander and Pragyan was crashed due to some last-minute software glitch, but orbiter was functioning properly. So the whole mission was not failed. It discovered that the permanently shadowed region of Moon there was the presence of ice and water. So
थैंक यू घर पे जाएंगे अगेन गुड आफ्टरनून विकास सर ये एग्जीबिशन जो सारे सब्जेक्ट से रिलेटेड है बच्चों को इसके बारे में थोड़ा सा बताइए जो हमारे ऑनलाइन
हमारे बच्चों ने लगभग सभी हर सब्जेक्ट में अपने मॉडल्स बनाए हैं, अपने विचार रखे हैं। हमारा देश जो है जीरो हमारे देश के द्वारा ही आया, जिसके द्वारा दुनिया में गणित फैली। हमारे देश के बहुत सारे लोग नोबेल पुरस्कार पा चुके हैं और ये हमारे विद्यार्थी ये दिखा रहे हैं कि आगे चल करके भारत का नाम रोशन करेंगे, न केवल साइंस में, न केवल मैथ्स में, न केवल हिंदी में, बल्कि सारे सब्जेक्ट्स में ये अपना नाम रोशन करेंगे। भारत का भविष्य इनके हाथ में बिल्कुल सुरक्षित है।
थैंक यू। तो ये थे हमारे कोऑर्डिनेटर सर विकास सर। अब हम स्टूडेंट से बात करेंगे। गुड आफ्टरनून मैम। देन व्हाट हैपेंड एंड व्हाट आर यू डूइंग?
Very good afternoon, sir. It's my pleasure that I am here with you all. You can see that we have conducted an exhibition with all the projects. It shows only that the creative mind of the student, it is segregated in the subject wise as computer, maths, Hindi even we have prepared. So you can watch that which kind of activity, which kind of mind they having, and they have presented in physically. So all the students, they have participated abovely and they have presented well. I am very satisfied with this project presentation work, and we have segregated in many categories, and we have given the name of this exhibition that Creative Gallery. I think this is the perfect name of this gallery, and it's a teamwork. It's not only the student as well as the teachers also. They have involved in this project exhibition, and I think that it's awesome. And definitely the student will learn many things. Parents also can, because we have, you heard the quotation that kill two birds with one stone. So we have also did this. In the PTM we have conducted this exhibition, so parents also encouraged and also knew something new, and next time definitely they will prepare. And also we have given a plant corner to encourage all the students, parents and teachers as well. Which kind of suggestion they are giving, on that behalf we are giving them any saplings or plant. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
थैंक यू। सो ऑल ऑफ यू, आपने एग्जीबिशन के बारे में देखा। ये हमारा एडमिशन पोर्टल है जो कि ओपन है, अभी से एडमिशन स्टार्ट हो गए हैं। अदर एक्टिविटीज़ में आप जो है यहाँ पे सारे क्लासेस एक्टिविटीज़ के साथ, और जो भी एक्टिविटीज़ है वो आपने रिप्रेजेंटेशन के तौर पे देखा बच्चों के थ्रू। तो हमारे यहाँ के एडमिशन भी ओपन हो गए। अगर आपको एडमिशन लेना है तो आप हमारे वेबसाइट पे या सेल्फ हमारी ब्रांच पे आकर के एडमिशन के बारे में प्रोसेस जान सकते हैं। थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू।
the shape of protector, which is of 180 degree. When we put it on this, it gets fit in this.
नहीं sensor ऐसा
It is proof that they are supplementary.
हमको बहुत
Sir,
सब
if you want to know about how this 90 degree is proof, then it is there is also
नहीं तो हम बाहर हैं,
proof of
सर
90
बाहर है
degree,
ना,
the tangent is here.
तो लिख नहीं
And
पाएंगे सर, ठीक है?
So in this case, change of vessels, blood vessels, the blue one is a vein which carries the oxygenated blood from the heart to the heart, and the red one is artery which carries the oxygenated blood from the heart to all the blood parts. You can see it. And it's not walking. Yeah, you can also press Sir, this is the automatic street light. When it will be dark, these street lights will glow on automatically.
How you get power?
No.
How does it going to get power?
From where it is getting that power?
Sir, from it glows on.
And you can see also the well here. Well is here. So many people want to save their life, so they jump into that. This is an ozone depletion. As you can see, the ozone hole here. And climatic condition very partly. You can see the flood and here the drought. This is just responsible for the CFC. And these are the major national parties of India. And current ruling party is BJP, so we have them in the center. And here the regional parties. Here the regional parties are, which are working on stage. Major party in Maharashtra. We are students from Maharashtra.
Model of different types of crops using literature, and as you can see in the photo.
I mean, he has prepared himself.
It's a story of a letter to a god. The writer claims that he God is still present. So this is not a story behind it. It's not just mean love. It's a story about this lady. She was really sad because her son died. But then she came across Buddha, and the Buddha explained her that when someone is born, then they will die. It's not a big deal. The Buddha told her to bring the mustard seeds from a home where nobody died, and she traveled halfway through all the states, all the country. She didn't find it because there was always a one person or two person who died in one house. She destroyed it among them, like, and they will eat if they were if they
You will destroy the ecosystem. Food system, the food chain of the
all the types of plants are there.
But this is not
There is a model of the
first flying. That is the
Acha, just first.
So this is the English grammar model which was created by class 10th students, and parts of speech contain 8 types, which were adverb, preposition, pronoun, adjective, verb, noun, interjection. And so this is model of class 10. This story, the story name the 100 dresses. This story contains 100 dresses which women wear. And this is Vedas. So this was used by ancient times.
These are models of computer subject. This is how many parts does the computer have. It is a model of laptop, and it's a model of message cycle. How a message was transferred from one person to another person. This is a model of computer. This is a model of startup, different types of startups, and different types of internet. These are some interesting things.
It's very
People don't know a lot of information. Yes.
Who has written this?
Book on class 10.
Satakshi Soni, Devesh Singh, Krishna Agrawal, Divya Gupta, दिव्या गुप्ता, करण चौहान, करण चौहान,
इस साइड बुला लीजिए।
श्रुति सोनकर, श्रुति सोनकर, तन्वी बरनवाल, नेक्स्ट वन इज तन्वी बरनवाल, खुशी सोनकर, खुशी सोनकर, आदित्य चक्रवाल, नेक्स्ट वन इज आदित्य चक्रवाल,
खलना जाता है ना।
स्वरांजलि सिंह, स्वरांजलि सिंह, प्रगति जायसवाल, प्रगति जायसवाल, नेक्स्ट वन इज अन्वेषा श्रीवास्तव, अन्वेषा श्रीवास्तव,